Build plastic walls for the house. Add an even layer of glue. The cover needs to dry well. Trim the excess. Cover the attachment points under strips of textured foam paper. A round opening appeared in one of the partitions. Triangle roof is covered with foam paper circles. Hamster's gonna love colorful roof tiles. Add a floor to the compartment. A round bed with a soft mattress will let Hamster see sweet dreams. That looks comfy. There's a small table near the bed. Bright flowers decorate the walls. And what's that? Is it a portrait of a baby hamster? Make a round mat out of pipe cleaners. Ready! Cover the open side of the layer with textured foam paper. We can use plastic curved pipes to make unusual paths. Join them to a plastic support for bottles. Floor out of textured foam paper looks like a lawn. Secure a decorative loop to the details. Attach a lace with a wooden bead on the end to the other end. Separate a plastic net into smaller pieces. Separate the second opening with a piece like this. The net covers a third one. Plastic bottles will also come in handy. Complete with a plastic ring. A clear half sphere covers the bottom part. Strips of foam paper go over the attachment points. Why have boring stairs if you can go down an exciting maze? And colorful circles improve the mood. Complete a plastic detail with an attachment and a loop. A sidewall opens. Continue the tunnel. Going in a pool with styrofoam balls is so much fun. And a bridge out of flexible hair curlers is one more quest for little Hamster. Styrofoam, foamy paper, and chopsticks inside a thermo straw will help us with railing for the bridge. This is going to be fun! Our stairs turned into a spiral staircase. It will be so much fun running around here. Just look at these colorful stairs! Whee! Attach one more square to the side. chipboard details turn into a maze. Build partitions. Cover the wall with clear plexiglass. Having fun is nice, but safety is more important. Add red keys inside the base with openings. There is a clear tube coming from the bottom of the square. Glue on textured inserts out of Styrofoam to the sponges. The extension of the tube leads right to a soft shelf with foam rubber pops. One more step, and you can jump to a square with lawn on the sides. Let's move to the stairs. Parts from a mop become a real obstacle. We have blades, a gear, and a real propeller. Secure the details to a road. Cover with chipboard squares. Add textured foam paper. It's almost ready. Wow! Now it's so fun to swing around on here. Chipboard squares go around the circle. Paint them green. Put them along the sides. The room got a new fence. An entrance portal is made out of blocks. Separate the labyrinth with new walls. The more quests, the better.